Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, mayroon lang akong i-share sa inyo guys. Ito ay tungkol sa ating motor guys, MIUI 125. Yan guys, MIUI 125. Yung problema niya guys, tingnan nyo guys, hindi ko alam kung anong problema nito guys. Pag nakasintrastan siya guys, tapos pag pinapaandar nyo, malakas yung ikot ng gulong niya. Yun guys, yung tunog ng makina ng motor natin guys starting is parang naka tercera siya guys, or naka third gear. So pakinggan nyo guys. Pero pag nakatakbo na siya guys, okay naman yung tunog ng makina niya guys. Doon lang talaga sa starting niya, para siyang nakatersera. So mahina yung hatak niya guys. So decision ko ngayon guys, dalhin ko na ito sa dealer, doon sa shop sa dealer guys.
A few inches later.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising.
Roller weights.
Roller weights. So yan yung problema natin guys. So yan yung suggest nila na kailangan palitan natin yung roller weights. May na daw ito ni Seth Boss kini.
Nara yan.
Original niya. Hilis na di siya no.
Hawa ka na Lloyd.
So yun yung problema natin dun sa motor natin, is roller weights. So yan yung dahilan kung bakit mahina na yung hatak ng motor natin, kasi may parts dun ng mga roller weights na wasak na siya. So yung suggestion nila guys, kailangan natin palitan yung ating roller weights at saka yung cam, kasi ito talaga yung sirang-sira na talaga, kasi may ibang parts dun sa roller weights na basag na siya. At saka kailangan din palitan yung belt at saka slider. So yan yung suggestion nila. Anyway guys, 2 years and 4 months na kasi yung motor natin. So tapos yung sa meron na itong 17,000 km na takbo ng ating motor guys. So yun guys, maraming salamat at bumalik na yung dating lakas ng ating motor. Shout out kay Agaw Arbets at saka kay Kapitan Wilvin, at lalo na sa lahat guys, shout out kay Konsihal Richard G. Wayan. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Bons. Yung kabak-ride ko, guys. Shout out sa kabak-ride ko, guys. Ay, meron pa akong nakalimutan, guys. Yung classmate ko, si Ardabs. Shout out kay Ardabs. Ardabs TV. Meron din siyang YouTube channel, guys. Ardabs TV. So, hanggang dito lang tayo, guys. So, thank you for watching and God bless us all. Bye-bye.
Huwag ka nang humanap pa ng iba, dito ka lang kay Kuya Mas. Dito lang sa samahang walang iwan ng kahit sino ka man, ikaw ay tutulungan at di iiwan. Like na sumama ka na, dito ka na kay Kuya Mas. Huwag ka nang humanap ng iba, dito ka lang kay Kuya Ma. Dito lang sa samahang walang iwan na. Halikin na, huwag ka na magpakibat pa. Kung usapang pagiging batil, sumama ka sa akin na huwag mahiya. Sumama ka na sa amin, manood para masaya. Manood ka sa amin kung di pipilitin ka. Kung ayaw mo, o sige, bahala. Dagdagan ng angas para sumabo. Tayo lang kailangan para makinabangan naman saan ta. Iba mo yung angas mo sa iyo. Huwag kang mag-ibang kasi baka mayari ka. Lalo kong pagbubutihin para maisip mo na mali ka. Di mo ko kaya kapag nabaliw na. Halika na, sumama. Kasi kapag nabaliw ako, pipilitin kita, sumama. Huwag ka nang humanap pa ng iba, dito ka lang kay Kuya Mas. Dito lang sa samang walang iwan ng kahit sino ka man, ikaw ay tutulungan at di iiwan. Like na sumama ka na, dito ka na kay Kuya Mas. Huwag ka nang humanap ng iba, dito ka lang kay Kuya Ma. Dito lang sa samahang